everybody, and welcome back to Cardano. Welcome back to FX3. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano, right? And man, oh man, this is an ugly looking chart. Right, so before we actually get into the technicals of this, please head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to influence the cryptocurrency market. And you can follow us on Twitter at FXS Crypto. And if you like what I do, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. But coming back to Cardano, right? So the last time we discussed this, I mentioned how the Adam and Eve pattern worked out very beautifully, and the price kind of fell short, testing its support level here. Testing its target at 1.26, and it was mainly because of this daily breaker that was formed on obviously the one-day time frame. So after multiple attempts, Cardano price failed to close above or inside the breaker, leading to what you see here, an ugly retracement, 26% downswing. So not only did it fill this wick, but it also came back below the next line of this Adam and Eve pattern, which is currently invalid. Right, so what's next for Cardano is, I'm just gonna hide this for now. Let me just redraw. Yeah, so two things here, right? We could see Cardano pull this inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Cardano's done inverse head and shoulders patterns quite a bit, so there's a good chance Cardano could reverse, slowly trend towards daily breaker, consolidate below this, and then finally break through this. Right? If we get a completion, and interestingly enough, the breaker's lower limit forms the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. So assuming that you are looking at a 36% upswing for Cardano, which puts it well above 1.60 target that we had previously, which puts it at exactly 1.69, roughly 1.70, right? But since I'm conservative, I'm gonna take, even if this at an inverse head and shoulders pattern plays out, I'm just gonna book profits at 1.60. Right, so for now, what I'm expecting is like a slow strut of consolidation followed by a flip of this POC. Yeah, let me just check if the POC is still the same. Yep, so what I'm expecting for Cardano right now is a slow strut followed by a flip of this POC, or the volume point of control, and then a slow trend up towards the daily breaker. Right after, so not only have we tested this breaker over here, we've already done that over here. So as I've been mentioning, multiple retests of this breaker, obviously breaker or supply zone or demand zone, eventually weakens it, allowing the price to just move through it, flip it into a support level, and then range higher. So yeah, this is my take on Cardano. I'm expecting, at least from where it is right now, if you're looking at the retest of the POC, it's 11.5% upswing. And if you're looking at retest of the breaker, it would be a 30% upswing for Cardano. But if you are looking at a retest and a completion of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, it would be a 79% upswing. But if I'm being conservative with my profit taking, it would be a 68% upswing. Either way, once we get a move above this level here at 1.23, as you can see, the volume profile also thins out quite a bit. So I think the key to the upswing for Cardano is to get a daily, and if we're lucky, a weekly close above 1.24. Once we get a weekly close above 1.24, I think it's like a straight move up to 1.60. So yeah, as for the downside, if Bitcoin continues crashing, there's a good chance Cardano could form this double bottom pattern here, bounce off of the 0.76 level. And interestingly enough, there, as a mark here, there have been equal lows formed on 7th March and 14th March. So I think either of the scenarios, I honestly wouldn't mind, because both of these are predicting a bullish eventual targets for Cardano. So yeah, that sums up my analysis for Cardano. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.